Hola, señora Vaz here with your instructions for today. The first thing you have to do, like every day, is your warm-up, actividad inicial. And when you click on this photo, you're going to review some of the stuff that you learned last class. How do you write these numbers in Spanish? So in the comments right here, you're going to type how to say this, how to write these numbers in Spanish. Just as usual, just copy this one, copy this part, paste it here, and then you can proceed to type how to say it or how to write it actually. And then post reply, and that will be your warm-up, actividad inicial. We're gonna work on activities on Spanish.com again. And for that purpose, you're going to Spanish.com, to the book, and it says on the home page, so it gives you step by step. Oh, let's submit this because you're gonna read it. Put the password, the username, and it says you're gonna do pages 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 on the preliminary pages. So we go right here, and it says you're gonna do pages 6. No, you're gonna start at number 5. I'm pretty sure, yes, 5. So you're doing page 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Don't forget to take a screenshot every time they finish an activity. Remember that the Spanish.com do not keep your scores because you are using my account and it doesn't keep everybody's score. So you need to take the screenshots every time that you finish one of the pages. To submit, click on the submission button and upload your screenshots. You already know how to do it. If you don't know how to do it, I put the instructions here. And that's it. That's all you're doing today. So you have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. That's 6 pages that you're working today, practicing numbers. If you have any questions, let me know. See you in class.